Quizable, portable, lightweight, a wireless HDMI for your computer needs. 168 feet, 100 meters, 328 feet, 2.4, 5.8 gigahertz. One is a PC transmitter and the other is a TV receiver that requires a USB-C cable that plugs in, while the PC side is ran off of your laptop and computer. It also has two USB-A to C compliance cables included, an instruction manual, everything that you need to go over and get started. No Wi-Fi, no application, simple plug and play. If your TV or computer has a mini HDMI or a micro cable, they give you the adapters. Hooking up the product, we have a window, an LCD window in colors of green and red, 4 overlays. It is non-rotatable. Simply pull out, set up by plugging into your HDMI port. We have a blue light that comes on, looking for a connection, a Wi-Fi signal, the HDMI port, and an incorrect connection of no signal. A close-up look at all 4 overlays. As we walk over to the TV set, we have a USB port on top for power. It's plugged in. Plug in your unit to the USB-C and remove the door. Plug in with the on and off switch, not touched, to the HDMI port of the TV. With the TV turned on with the HDMI 2 port, it is giving information on how to hook up. All we need to do is now I'm going to plug in my unit and show you the plug and play of how simple the screen to the TV transfers. And we are set up just like that, plug and play. We could broadcast movies, personal videos, photos, presentations, play games, and more. You want to go wireless, we can do so. And when you want to present and open up your laptop, we are set up just like that. 168 feet, 2.4, 5.8 gigahertz, 100 meters, 328 feet. And that's the information you see on the 4K decoder to 1080p 60 hertz wireless HDMI. You want to play games with a steering wheel and pedal and set up to a large TV set? Simply take on the go your wireless HDMIs, size of a finger with a LCD screen on both. This may be a product that you're looking for your 1080p computer needs. I hope this is something that you are looking for in your computer needs of a wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.